Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today we're diving deep into fundamentals, what makes this crypto bull market unique, exploring challenges, and uncovering opportunities that could shape your investment strategy. Let's roll. Unlike past cycles, this one's hitting new highs before the halving, thanks to big players like institutions and Bitcoin ETFs. They're not chasing altcoins like retail investors used to. Instead, their cash is flowing straight into Bitcoin, keeping other coins quiet. I will show you an interesting chart of BlackRock later. We've got old Bitcoin addresses, some dormant for years, suddenly springing to life. When these long-term holders start selling, it's a big deal for understanding market dynamics. Keep an eye on these movements for hints on when to adjust your strategy. This bull run isn't just about numbers. It's happening amidst high interest rates, cooling inflation, and global political tensions. Bitcoin is becoming the go-to hedge for the wealthy, painting it as digital gold. When the big dogs see traditional markets shaky, they're turning to crypto. Remember the wild altcoin or NFT parties of past cycles? Not this time. Retail investors are licking their wounds from FTX, Celsius, and BlockFi, entering the market with caution. The usual frenzy hasn't kicked in, and without retail enthusiasm, altcoins are staying low-key. In today's market, it's not about catching every trend. Focus on quality over quantity, maybe 10 to 15 projects you really believe in. Keep tabs on key narratives like gaming or real-world asset tokens. But remember, smart investing is about risk management, not just chasing gains. After the halving in last April, the supply dropped to 450 Bitcoin per day. If demand stays up and accelerates, like with the strong Bitcoin ETF inflow, we could see prices soar even more. But there's a catch. If retail jumps in right when institutions cash out, they might provide the liquidity for those exits. Start planning your moves now. Don't wait for the peak. Stay vigilant for signs of retail re-engagement, like increased social media chatter, growing stablecoin reserves, and rising search trends. These are your cues to possibly adjust your portfolio or take profits. This bull market demands a different approach. The game has changed with institutional involvement, global economic shifts, and a subdued retail presence. Adapt, stay informed, and have your exit strategy ready. Got thoughts or strategies for navigating this cycle? Drop them in the comments, and if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more crypto insights. Together, let's tackle this bull run into 2025, and see you in the next one.